of Health, I would like to thank Governor Pritzker and Dr. Zike for their continued and steadfast leadership in this response. Peoria County has 4,638 cases, and we're sad to report 66 deaths to date, while our Tri-County region of Peoria, Tazewell, and Woodford are reporting 7,971 cases and 138 deaths to date. We're continuing to be trending in the wrong direction. In the past week, Peoria County has added 382 new cases, as well as losing 8 additional residents to this virus. Our county, compared to the previous week, is now averaging 55 new cases a day, which is a jump of 10 additional cases from just 1 week ago. Even more pronounced is that our Tri-County 7-day average for cases is now over 100. With an average of 105 cases each day, this is the highest our Tri-County has seen. Our own internal model at the Peoria City County Health Department indicates that we will end 2020 with close to 9,000 cases to date if we continue on this trajectory. To provide context, in just over 2 months, we will approximately double our current to-date total since our local response began in March. And this, sadly, is a rosy picture because it assumes that we stay on our current path. But the next 2 months bring more challenges. Colder weather means increased indoor activities, the holiday season, and the want to gather, and our own fatigue related to this response. However, our community is and can be the solution. This is not a time for complacence, and yes, it will be hard work, and the weariness and struggles will continue to be a part of how we do and overcome in this response. But we don't have to do this alone. We can be all in by wearing a mask, practicing the social distancing, the good hygiene, getting your flu vaccine, and if you are under the weather, be it allergies or not, get tested and stay at home and isolate until your results come in. In Peoria County, as the governor mentioned, we have the advantage of testing. We have 2 community-based testing sites, one at the Civic Center as well as Heartland Health Services, our federally qualified health center. And again, even this week, we, in collaboration with the Illinois Department of Public Health, will be hosting a test site at Shore Acres Park in Chillicothe. And let's not forget the hospital and healthcare systems as well as our pharmacies. All of these testing sites are available to anyone, not just Peoria County residents. There is no reason why you cannot get tested. And once you do, again, we want to reiterate that you need to isolate until you get your results. The last step, for those that do test positive, is to pick up the phone. You will receive a phone call from either your local health department or the statewide contact tracing program, which has a 312 area code. The more information you provide us, the better we can respond and hopefully get ahead of this virus. I'm immensely proud to serve and live in this community. Peoria is a county that cares. Our residents want to do what is best for each other. And while the response continues to put strains on all of us, I trust our community to do the right thing for the health and benefit of all of us. Thank you, and with that, I'll turn